A large limb fell from an oak tree Wednesday afternoon, crushing one parked vehicle and damaging another. No one was injured in the incident, which closed the westbound lanes of Market Street near New Hanover High School.
The police department gets here, they're going to take over blocking the traffic, and my partner's gone up there to the high school to let the individual know whose car this is.
At the time, sustained winds were blowing at 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45. Around 1:30, Jasmine Moore, a New Hanover High School senior, learned the Jeep Cherokee she drives was covered with tree limbs.
At first, when I saw it, I didn't think nothing bad happened to it until I looked in the windshield and I saw it crack. I usually park it all the time, which is amazing that the tree fell on the car.
She inspected the damage as police directed traffic off Market Street at 15th Street. A city tree maintenance crew used chainsaws to clear the road. Moore said her Jeep is insured, but once it's fixed, she won't park under the oaks that line Market Street anymore.
Well, I was like, I can't get home because I have early release 4th block, so I can't go nowhere.